The fourth industrial revolution is upon us, and it has the potential to transform all aspects of manufacturing, supply chain, and sustainment operations. It's driven by the explosive growth of digital technologies, cloud computing and sensors, producing massive amounts of data and useful information. This industrial revolution promises to make factories and distribution facilities smarter, more agile, and productive, where processes are automated and centralized for improved efficiency and better decision-making. It's arriving at an exponential pace, disrupting most every organization around the world and causing enormous fragmentation across IT and logistics systems. Organizations struggle with integrating sensors in machines that speak different languages. So how do you bring it all together? The solution is Enterprise Sensor Integration, or ESI. The developer is Tapestry Solutions, a Boeing company. ESI is a powerful middleware solution that provides a sensor-agnostic platform to ensure standardization. It connects a myriad of sensor and hardware technologies through a common interface, regardless of brands or data formats. This enables users to track and manage assets, tools, workflow processes, and much more on a map-centric screen. Through data fusion, ESI connects sensors ranging from active and passive RFID, Wi-Fi and GPS tags, mobile scanners, and Ultra Wideband wireless systems. ESI also interfaces with your enterprise resource planning and legacy systems, as well as sensors that monitor temperature, pressure, and humidity. It operates in the cloud or on dedicated servers to ensure maximum flexibility. With ESI, you have total asset visibility across the enterprise. ESI seamlessly connects over 100 sensor systems and applications at Boeing, where it tracks between 6 to 10 billion sensor reads per week. It tracks everything from large equipment and complex parts down to nuts and bolts. With ESI, Boeing saves an estimated $80 million each year, primarily due to better inventory control, reduced asset loss, and increased productivity. From manufacturing to supply chain operations, ESI will accelerate your entry to the next industrial revolution to connect people, data, and processes across your organization to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure mission success.